In my previous video, I showed you how to turn one hobby into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digital products that you can sell. And I heard you. So I'll slow it down. So today I'm going to go slower, step by step, and I'll show you exactly how to create each of those digital products using AI. And if this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll give you all those digital products free in the description down below. So let's get into it. But first, before I created anything, I needed to know what to create. And I didn't want to guess. So step one was finding my niche with ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to find a niche topic with built-in demand because demand drives traffic and traffic drives sales. So here's the exact prompt that I used. I really like fishing and I want to earn more money on the side. Help me create a digital product focused on fishing. Find me 5 topics that are niche and in demand. I would love to have affiliate links included in my digital product. It thought for a couple of minutes and then it gave me a bunch of different options and then it told me the best one that it thought I should choose. So I started with that one. So the first product, an ebook, and for this, Gamma app is perfect. So I copied the outline and I took it over to Gamma app. After I had my outline from ChatGPT, here's the exact walkthrough. I went to Gamma app, I clicked Create New with AI, and then you'll see all of these options. Generate, paste in text, create from template, or import file or URL. For this, we're clicking paste in text. Then you'll paste in your ChatGPT outline right here. Then you'll select the type that you want to create. For this, I'm choosing document and letter, and then scroll down. And I like to select generate from notes or outline, but there are 2 other options. You can summarize or you can preserve the exact text. And then you click continue. Now you're going to choose your preferences. I like to choose concise. And for visuals, I like to keep it professional, and I think this will work for this one too. And don't worry if you don't like the professional look, it can be edited after. So then you scroll down and you select your image source. I like AI images to avoid copyright images. And right here next to generate, you can change the number of pages. And for this, we'll do 10. Then click generate. It will only take a few seconds to a couple of minutes to create all 10 pages. And once it's done, you can edit any layout, text, or image. Like this AI image here. This looks a little weird. I've never seen a kayak like that before. So we'll regenerate it and we'll try to find another image to replace it. So let's click generate. This one looks great. So now you go to share, export to PDF, and you'll upload it to Canva to add your affiliate links and a nice cover. Then once you have all that done, you can export it as your final PDF. One product, done. Next up, coloring pages. And this one's faster than you think. So product number 2, coloring pages. For coloring pages, we're using ChatGPT, but first we need some reference images. So head over to Amazon and look for the type of coloring that you want. Kids, detailed, educational, sarcastic, whatever fits your niche, take a few screenshots of interior pages for reference imaging. Now go back to ChatGPT, upload those reference images, and use this prompt. Create a coloring book image for a fishing scene, black and white, lined, no background. Then to create another page, add another text, like another near a waterfall. You can also change it up and use this prompt. Using these reference images as style inspiration, create a black and white coloring page for fishing. Make the lines clean and simple for printing. And then you'll do this for as many pages as you need. Download each one, upload it to Canva to format it, and then export it as a PDF. Product 2, coloring book, done. Now here's one that most people skip, and it's the easiest way to grow your email list while you sleep. And remember, 1,000 likes and all of these products are free in the description. So product number 3 is a lead magnet infographic, and for this, I use Notebook LM. And here's why it's so powerful. Instead of organizing 15 browser tabs, Notebook LM does it for you. You upload your notes, articles, and your sources. Notebook LM will summarize all of that information and will organize it into whatever you're trying to have as your output. So here's how I actually did it. I wanted an infographic on lures. I went over to ChatGPT and I used this prompt. Give me the top 10 lures to use for fishing in a river, in a kayak, in the Northeast. Super specific, because I wanted something that I can use for affiliate links. Because even though I'm not selling this product, every time somebody clicks one of these products and buys something, I'll get a commission. And it only took me a couple of seconds and it produced the top 10 river lures. So I'll copy all of this and I'll take it over to Notebook LM. So I paste it in Notebook LM and I go over to the right and I will click on infographic and I'll let it auto select, but I can choose any of the visual styles that I want, the level of detail, and I can add more information to describe what I'm trying to create. And then I just click generate and the result was a beautiful infographic that I can go through and put in links. Then you download it, upload it to Canva, and add your affiliate links. You can design a simple one, export it, and this becomes your free download, and people will trade their email address for it. Now you own the audience. Product 3, done. Product number 4 is a logbook, and you can sell these on KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. And this is how you create one fast. First, you'll go to Amazon and you'll find logbooks that are selling really well in any niche. You take a few screenshots of the interior pages and then you go back into ChatGPT. You'll upload those screenshots and you'll use them as reference images and you'll use this prompt. Using the reference images, create a fishing log page that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. ChatGPT will recreate the layout for your niche and create a few different style pages. You'll download it, upload it to Canva, duplicate the pages, format it, export it, and sell. Product number 4, done. The last one, and this is the one that people are making real money on Etsy, and in another video, I shared the receipts. So product number 5 is digital art bundles, and this could be clip art, wall art, TV screensaver images, holiday card templates. The options are endless, and here's how to create it. You go to ChatGPT and you can bring a reference image or two for style inspiration, and you use this prompt. Using the attached image as a reference inspiration, create a fish and hook combo graphic illustration in distressed style. No background. And then within seconds, you have your own digital art. It's really important not to copy, but to reimagine. So generate a few until the variations are different than the other one. Then you'll download it and you'll upload it to Canva. You'll create a bundle of these different images, export it, and then sell. So product number 5 is done. All of these digital products took seconds or minutes. Altogether, under an hour to create. I found a niche, I proved the demand, and I created 5 digital products. And this is a rinse and repeat model. It works for any hobby: fishing, sewing, fitness, cooking, parenting. Pick your niche and use these steps and then ship your product. Don't forget, if this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll give you these digital products free in the description down below. And if you want more hot selling digital product ideas with actual receipts, watch this video here. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.